Buzape A09 lots 1 and 2 and AIT neighborhood Asokoro A04 are new districts in Asokoro lacking good road network. To meet the yearnings and aspirations of the residents of these areas, the FCT administration processed and awarded the contract for the provision of engineering infrastructure to the outstanding layouts within the districts.
The scope of works for this project includes provision of infrastructure to about 24 short roads, totaling about 9.2 kilometers. This infrastructure to be provided also includes earthworks, surface water drainage pipe network, asphalt paved roads, box and pipe culverts, foul sewer drainage network, water distribution pipe network, street lighting, power supply, and telecommunication ducts.
Today, we are witnessing another bold step in transforming the great city of Abuja by providing this engineering infrastructure to the outstanding layouts in Buzape, lots 1, 2, and part of Asokoro.
Highlighting the scorecard of President Bola Tinubu's administration, the FCT Minister Yesen Wike won against naming Abuja Street without due consultation and approval by his administration.
It is the intention of Mr. President to make sure that every part of Abuja, particularly the cities, has infrastructure, has road networks that will make the city to be what it is. We cannot be doing roads, putting infrastructure. You wake up in the morning, I don't know who writes to you. Before I wake up, you name the streets of the roads we are doing, putting money. Put your street where you do road.
The minister, however, solicited the support of the contracting firm to adequately engage the youths while executing the projects. Onoze Yakubu, NTA News.
In commemoration of World Sight Day 2025, the FCT Public Health Department has organized a series of activities aimed at promoting eye health awareness in Abuja. The event included free eye screening and distribution of medicated glasses to residents. Cecilia Julius reports.
The eye's relevance to human existence underscores its unique function of sight, illuminating images and pathways. To enhance this vital sense, the FCT Public Health Department organized free eye screening and other interventions to commemorate World Sight Day 2025, aimed to raise awareness about eye health and provide access to eye care services for residents.
The Monday Secretary has provided for 6,000 services and spectacles to be given out. So we're looking towards that number for now, and even more than that, because you can see from the crowd on this first day, this morning we already have over 300 from the records. So I believe we are going to beat that. And you know, there have been outreaches all over the area councils, not just here. This one is just to kick it off.
We have emphasis more on communities that are disadvantaged, who without these outreaches would not have access to health care, would not probably visit a health facility to screen their eyes or to have access to eye care or glasses. So it has been a tremendous and a continuous one. So this is just a commemoration, but the outreaches still continue. I think the target for this year is up to 60,000 to ensure that we have 60,000 FCT residents having access to free eye care across FCT.
Medical professionals conducted comprehensive eye examinations and provided glasses to those in need, while also educating the public on preventive measures for common eye conditions.
The theme for today's this 2025 World Sight Day is Love Your Eyes. And this is a call to action for all of us to make sure that we increase access to eye care. And the mandate secretary has also increased the number of spectacles we can give freely to the populace of the FCT.
The eye is a very delicate organ and is the window of the body. If you make mistake in taking care of your eyes and you become blind is a very big problem for you, because you will not be able to totally integrate into the society, and there is also stigma attached to people who have vision loss. So we are encouraging people to take very good care of their eyes. Most importantly, you should have your eye checked every year. It's a routine, should be a routine for you.
Beneficiaries commend the FCTI Health Department's efforts to promote eye health, hoping that proper eye care services will improve residents' quality of life. In Abuja, Cecilia Julius, NTA News.
The chairman of the Nigerian Union of Journalists FCT chapter, Mrs. Grace Ike, provided guidance to students, parents, and teachers on the significance of refraining from hard drugs and bullying, emphasizing their impact on individual development and overall growth.
We have a critical role to play in raising awareness, in amplifying our voices, amplifying the voices of our students, amplifying the negative impact of drug abuse and bullying in schools.
Mr. Olobashola Kolawale, who spoke on the detrimental effects of bullying on students, highlighted its profound and enduring impact on their mental and overall well-being. As the keynote speaker, he articulated the various forms of bullying prevalent in educational institutions.
We have teachers on special duties that goes round to check the welfare of these students, both in the hostel, in the night when they are sleeping, during the day, and any time. There is no time that they are left alone.
The principal staff officer responsible for sensitization at the Nigerian Drug Law Enforcement Agency advised parents to consider drug abuse as a disease and seek counseling rather than viewing it solely as a moral failing.
Science have understood that drug use disorder is a mental health challenge and is a disease originating first and foremost in the brain, has a lot of factors that cause it. The drug is one, and many other factors. So when a child or a man or a woman has the disease, one of the first things to do is that counseling has to be engaged. You have to engage in counseling.
Chairman of the Nigerian Union of Journalists, FCDA Chapel, Mrs. Ngozi Uloma, advised students to distance themselves from peers who engage in these activities and report such behavior whenever possible. Shamsuddin Usman, NTA News. The chairman of the Nigerian Union of Journalists FCT chapter.
After many years in the United States, Tina King returned to Nigeria and was deeply moved by the conditions she encountered. Inspired to make a difference, she set out to help reduce the number of children and youth on the streets while empowering the less privileged women for a better and quality life. She arrived last year with a clear vision and mission to change the narrative.
Along the way, Keje has touched lives. He has helped to rewrite the stories of hundreds of beneficiaries and restored hope through our collective efforts. In our 1 year of existence, we have transformed about 1,000 lives and in counting. possible by him and he alone. The support of my beloved husband, who said, go and follow your dream, follow your passion, do what God has called you to do.
Founder of Whatclef, Hajia Titi Atiku Abubakar, commended the initiative, noting that the NGO has achieved remarkable progress in a year and deserves all the support it can get.
This woman never stayed. We all heard her story, that she was 23 when she left the shores of Nigeria. When others are jackpying, she decided to come back to Nigeria. She told us how she saw children hawking, which she never saw when she was growing up. I will say that we have the same story with her. I thank you for what you are doing for Nigerian children. God Almighty will continue to empower you.
Keynote speaker Remi Chukwunyere emphasized that youth development remains the most sustainable pathway to national security.
The future of this country will not be determined by the size of our defense budgets, but by the opportunities we create for our youth.
The Keja Youth Empowerment Initiative has embarked on several impactful projects, including skills acquisition in soap, Vaseline, and bead production, scholarship for 48 students, the Path the Girl Child campaign, disaster relief and emergency aid, women's empowerment through the planting of economic trees, and the Operation Feed the Street Children program, amongst others.
They taught us how to do Vaseline, shampoo, air fresher, and others.
On well-meaning Nigerians and organizations to partner with them in transforming more communities, staying true to its slogan, bringing hope to hearts. In Abuja, Safia Norma Uche, NTA News.
The Institute of Planning Nigeria is calling for a purpose-driven national development planning framework anchored on visionary leadership, strong institutions, and inclusive growth. This was the focus at the Institute's 2025 Planners Conference held in Abuja with the theme, Reimagine Nigeria's Development Towards a Purpose-Driven Philosophy. Rabia Chai reports.
For you to have an effective planning, there must be a philosophy behind your planning.
Policymakers, experts, and members of the Institute of Planning Nigeria converged to re-evaluate the nation's development planning framework and chart a new course towards purposeful and people-centered growth. President of the institution, Makati Jaibu, describes the gathering as a strategic assembly of planners and builders committed to reshaping Nigeria's future through purposeful planning.
If we must go forward, we must reimagine Nigeria. That means create another perspective on what we want it to be. Execution of planning, that's our challenge. We would have dug up a lot of things we wanted to do. But when you present it before the leaders, you understand? They don't want to look at it.
Keynote speaker, Engineer Seidu Aliyu Muhammad, draws attention to the role of planning in driving transformation across leadership, education, and the economy. He calls for a value-based approach to development, one that aligns purpose, integrity, and innovation in building a better Nigeria.
The education system has to change to be that kind of system that brings out skills, not brings out certificate holders. We also have to look back to the citizenry. Are the citizens of Nigeria really the kind of citizens in terms of orientation? Do we hold Nigeria first?
Senator Ede Dafinone was conferred as a Fellow of the Institute of Planning for his contribution to national planning.
Whether it is planning how your children will get to school or planning how we are going to build east-west road or coastal road, planning is critical to the success of every single mission, no matter how big or how small.
We want Nigeria to have a new image. We want Nigeria to be what we want it to be, and it's going to start with us. When we say reimagine, it has to start with you and I. We need to change how we do things by seeing that perfect image we want to see. it has to start from us.
The conference concludes with a renewed commitment to strengthen institutional capacity and ensure that planning outcomes translate into measurable national development. In Abuja, Rabiat Shaib, NTA News.
The Rehoboth Development Association has arranged its annual volleyball community gathering to foster unity, health, and social development amongst its members in Abuja. The occasion marks the third instance of such event hosted by the association with the intention of preserving the heritage of the Kilba people. Shamsuddin Usman reports.
The atmosphere was vibrant and filled with excitement as residents gathered for the Hoba Development Association's annual volleyball event. The initiative is aimed at strengthening community spirit, promoting unity, and fostering a sense of togetherness among members of the Kilba tribe residing in Abuja.
This is a unity kind of family get-together. It brings the children and the parents together.
It's bringing families together. As you can see now, everybody is happy, doing exercise and the rest of them, and that's the importance of it.
It feels nice because I can see my family, I can see everybody here, I can play my sport.
Understand that Abuja life is very stressful and it's very difficult for you to find people to come out together on a normal day. So we decided to find every first Sunday of October, because actually this is the third edition of this novelty. So that we come out together, we see ourselves, we play, we exercise. As you can see, we have varieties of games.
The event marks the third edition of the social competition, with the next scheduled for October 2026. The chairman of the association explained that the annual novelty matches are not only a unifying activity, but also part of the association's broader efforts to promote social development. He acknowledged the economic and security challenges that may have discouraged some from attending, but praised the remarkable turnout nonetheless.
Both old and new, sports is part of us